Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. So we can track the calories on this watch in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that info. So if you wake up the screen, for example, this watch face displays the calories, but if yours isn't, you can always press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, find the watch face that displays the calories, and tap on it to select it and apply it. Another way to check the calories is to open the activity app, and you can do it by swiping left on the screen and finding the activity widget, and then you can tap on it, and here you can scroll through the menu and look for the calories. You can also open the activity app by pressing the home button and then find the activity records. It will open the same app, and here you can check the calories burned. Another way, or the last way to check the calories, is to open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app you will see this page, the home page, and you can tap on this bar right here to open the health circle, and right here we have the steps, exercise and stuff like that, and here we have the calories burned, and you can check a lot of, or basically the whole month or each day in the month by tapping on the arrows right here. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.